friends, this is Virendra. I wish millions and millions people should be more successful in their life. That was the dream of one of the greatest success philosopher, Dr. Napoleon Hill. Inspired by the greatest industrialist, philanthropist, businessman, steel icon, Andrew Carnegie, who laid the seed in the mind of Napoleon Hill to write the Science of Success philosophy, and Napoleon Hill came out with flying color. The Law of Success was published in 1928, and there were 17 principles, 17 steps. If anybody understands very clearly and very carefully and practice in life, success is bound to come. This book later on was transformed into a very thin sheet of 237 pages known as Think and Grow Rich. If somebody masters the 13 principles of this Think and Grow Rich, another millions and millions will become millionaire and billionaires. It's my privilege and great honor today that I am going to present before you the 17 principles of success, the fundamental laws of success, the keys to success. Here we go. We start with positive mental attitude. Build a positive mental attitude. A positive mental attitude is the single most important principle of the science of success, without which you cannot get the maximum benefit from the other 16 principles. Success attracts success, and failures attracts failure. Your mental attitude is the only thing over which you and only you have complete control. A positive mental attitude attracts opportunities for success, while a negative mental attitude repels opportunities and does not even take advantage of them when they do come along. A positive mind finds a way. It can be done. A negative mind looks for all the ways it cannot be done. Second, definiteness of purpose. Develop definiteness of purpose. Success and progress towards achieving your goals in life begin with knowing where you are going. Any dominating ideas, plan or purpose held in your subconscious mind through repeated efforts and emotionalized by a burning desire for its realization is taken over by the subconscious mind and acted upon through whatever natural and logical means may be available. Your mental attitude gives power to everything you do. If your attitude is positive, your actions and thoughts further your ends. If your attitude is negative, you are constantly undermining your own efforts. The starting point of all human achievement is the development of a definite major purpose. Without a definite major purpose, you are as helpless as a ship without a compass, going for the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Strength and struggles go hand in hand. Render more and better service than you are paid for, and sooner or later you will get huge returns from your investment. The end of the rainbow is at the end of the second mile. The quality of service rendered plus quantity of service rendered plus the mental attitude in which it is rendered equals your compensation. The more you give, the more you get. What Napoleon Hill explained by the four letters QQMA. Quality of service rendered, quantity of service rendered, and with a positive mental attitude the service is rendered really defines the secret of your success. The more you give, the more you get. Accurate thinking. Think accurately. Thoughts are power under your control, and you can be used wisely or unwisely. Accurate thinkers accept no political, religious or other types of thought regardless of its source until it is carefully analyzed. Accurate thinkers are the masters of their emotions. Accurate thought involves two fundamentals. First, you must separate facts from information. Second, you must separate facts into two classes, important and unimportant. Accurate thinkers allow you one to do their thinking for themselves. Self-discipline, a must for success. Enforce self-discipline. Self-discipline is a process that ties together all your efforts for controlling your mind, your personal initiative, positive mental attitude, and controlling your enthusiasm. Self-discipline makes you think before you act. The subconscious has access to all the departments of the mind but is not under control of any. If you don't discipline yourself, you are sure to be disciplined by others. Without self-discipline, you are as dangerous as a car running downhill without a brakes or steering wheel. Mastermind alliance. Establish a mastermind alliance. A mastermind alliance consists of two or more minds working actively together in perfect harmony towards a common definite objective. Through a mastermind alliance, you can appropriate and use the full strength of the experience, training, knowledge of others just as they were your own. No individual has ever achieved success without the help and cooperation of others. The value of gathering together those of a like mind is self-evident. Like attracts like. A group of brain coordinated in a spirit of harmony will provide more thought energy than a single brain, just as a group of electric batteries will provide more energy than a single battery. Applied faith. applied faith. Faith is awareness of, belief in, and harmonizing with the universal powers. Faith is a state of mind which must be active, not passive, to be useful in achieving lasting success. Faith is the head chemist of the mind. Close the door to fear behind you, and you will quickly see the door of faith open before you. Fear is nothing more than a state of mind which is subject to your own direction and control. Faith will not bring you what you desire, but it will show you the path how to follow and achieve your success in life. The way to go after it for yourself. Increasing personality. Assemble an attractive personality. Positive mental attitude is the right mental attitude in any given situation. Courtesy is your most profitable asset, and it is absolutely free. Emotions are nothing but reflection of your mental attitude, which you can organize, guide, and completely control. Your personality is your greatest asset or your greatest liability, because it embraces everything you control: your mind, your body, and your soul. To be happy makes someone else happy. To be successful makes someone else successful. That is the secret of success. Personal initiative. Greatest personal initiative. Create personal initiative. It is better to act on a plan that is still weak than to delay acting at all. Procrastination is the alchemy of personal initiative. Decide, go fast, persist, act till you achieve your goal. Personal initiative is contagious, succeeds where others fail, creates work, creates opportunity, creates the future, creates advancement. Procrastinations are experts in creating alibis. Personal initiative is the inner power that starts all action. Enthusiasm. Control your enthusiasm. To be enthusiastic, act enthusiastically. Enthusiasm is to progress towards success as gasoline is to the car's engine. It is the fuel that drives things forward. It arouses action. Enthusiasm stimulates your subconscious mind. By feeding your conscious mind with enthusiasm, you impress upon your subconscious that your burning desire and your plan for attaining it are certain, determined, persistent, persevering, energetically, enthusiastically, till you achieve your goal. Enthusiasm is a state of mind. It inspires action and is the most contagious of all emotions. Enthusiasm is more powerful than logic, reason, or rhetoric in getting your ideas across and in winning over others to your viewpoint. Control attention. Control your attention. Keep your mind on the things you want and of the things you don't want. It is much easier to focus your attention on something you believe will happen than on something you believe is unlikely. That is the basic fundamental principles. Always focusing your mind, attracting the thought vibrations, what you are interested in life, and success is sure. Control attention is the act of coordinating all the faculties of your mind and directing it towards power to a specific end. Positive and negative emotions cannot occupy your mind at the same time. Independence starts with self-dependence. Teamwork. Inspire teamwork. There is no record of any great contribution to the civilization without cooperation of others. Enthusiasm is contagious and teamwork is inevitable result. A good football team relies more on harmonious coordination of efforts than individual skill. Most people will respond more freely to a request than they will to an order. Helping others solve their problems will help you solve your own problems. Learning from defeat, profiting from defeat. Learn from adversity and defeat. Everyone faces defeat. It may be a stepping stone or a stumbling block, depending on the mental attitude with which it is faced. Failures and pains are one language through which nature speaks to every living creature. You are never a failure until you accept defeat as permanent and quit trying. Edison failed 10,000 times before perfecting the electric incandescent light bulb. Don't worry if you fail once. And as Dr. Hill said, every adversity, failure and defeat bring with it a seed of an equivalent benefit. Often opportunity comes disguised in difficulties, obstacles. Be clever to find out the latent benefits hidden behind all those sufferings and sorrows. Every adversity, every failure and every unpleasant experience carries with it the seed of an equivalent benefit which may prove to be a blessing in disguise. Creative vision. Cultivate creative vision. Creative imagination has its base in the subconscious and is the medium through which you recognize new ideas and newly learned facts. Synthetic imagination springs from experience and reason. Creative imagination springs from your commitment to a definite purpose. Imagination recognizes limitations. Creative vision sees no limitations. Your imaginative faculty will become big through inaction. It can be revived through use. The man who dipped a chunk of ice cream in the chocolate and called it Eskimo pea made a fortune for the 5 seconds of imagination it took to create the idea. Dr. Hill says, what we do not use, that we lose. Let's use our imaginative faculty of mind. Cultivate it, enhance it, enlarge it, and use it. Budgeting time and money. Budget your time and money. Tell me, how you use your time, and how you spend your money. And I will tell you where and what you will be 10 years from now. Take regular inventory of yourself to learn how and where you are spending your time and money. The secret of getting things done is do it now. No procrastination. Decide. Start. Time is too precious to be wasted on arguments and discontent. Some mistakes can be corrected, but not the mistakes of wasting time. When time is gone, it's gone forever. Maintaining sound physical and mental health. Maintain sound health. To maintain a positive mental attitude and develop a healthy mind and body, you must conquer fear and anxiety. Anything that affects your physical health also affects your mental health. Positive mental attitude is the most important quality for sound mental and physical health. Exercise produces both physical and mental buoyancy. It clears sluggishness and dullness from body and mind. If you have not the willpower to keep your physical body in repair, you lack the power of will to maintain a positive mental attitude and other important circumstances that control your life. Cosmic habit force. Use of cosmic habit force. It takes a habit to replace a habit. All efforts, success and failures are results of the habits we have cultivated. The orderliness of laws, natural laws gives evidence that they are under the control of the universal plan. For every result, there is a cause, and results are brought about through the use of cosmic habit force. First you get a habit, then it gets you. Dear friends, it's my great moment of life to have understood thoroughly the 17 success fundamentals of philosophy discovered by Napoleon Hill under the guidance of the great industrialist Andrew Carnegie. I am practicing day and night, and I have taken this promise that I will be very effective in passing these all informations to the millions and millions of the people of India and Asia. I call Dr. Napoleon Hill my Lord, my God, my Master. He has given me really the key of success, and this key I will pass on to as many individuals as possible. This will be the true meaning of my life, and as suggested by Dr. Hill, I will be leaving a monument behind me in the form of conveying the greatest science of success philosophy to the millions and billions of the people of India. The basic starting like that, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. The mind has enormous power. All the civilization we are finding today, all the inventions and discoveries, what has happened, was done by some individuals who used the power of the mind. The inexorable power of mind was exploited by millions and millions of the greatest people who made this world so civilized and so scientifically developed. I want to become a chain in that progress and development towards this civilization. Lastly, I close this deliverance with my prayer to my Lord, to the infinite intelligence. O divine providence, I ask from you all the wisdom and all the willingness to serve the mankind with all the 17 principles which my Gurudev, Dr. Napoleon Hill has given me, and also I will be passing on all the 13 principles of success, how to grow rich by thinking, utilizing the enormous power of mind by Napoleon Hill. Thanks for watching this video, and I really assure you that if you believe, you can really achieve. There is no limitation to the mind, but it is only up to you. Think high, work hard, have belief in faith. Every day render very sincere, honest prayer to God. The supreme power, the spiritual forces will always come to your rescue.